Wood selection is critical to charcoal production because the burning properties of different woods vary significantly. Hardwoods are the best choices, such as beech, oak, and eucalyptus. These woods have a long burning time, high heat, and low smoke production, making them suitable for efficient charcoal production. Beech has a high carbon content, oak has a strong structure and produces durable charcoal, and eucalyptus is favored for its short growth cycle and high carbon content of up to 90%. Cherry and other hardwoods also add a unique flavor to grilling. Softwoods are an affordable alternative, such as pine and spruce. Although cork produces more smoke and possible odors when burned, its low cost makes it popular. Spruce is light and easy to work, suitable for making charcoal drawing pencils, while pine is portable and suitable for outdoor cooking, especially on long adventures. Choosing the right wood can significantly enhance your charcoal experience.